Okay, so next one,
Ex-
page 7, paralegal. So they're saying
Okay.
the mean paralegal
Okay.
to lawyer ratio is now 2 to 1. And I've always wondered because there are firms and they're really good attorneys that I know have been on the show. They'll have like ratios of 8 to 1, 8 paralegals to 1 lawyer. There are firms
Uh,
that have 50 paralegals to 1 lawyer, big ones that are famous too. And it always blew my mind. Is like, how does the lawyer know what's going on? How can you trust these paralegals to not to say untrustful, but it's like you got to watch out for the work. What has been your experience with ratios of paralegals? Right now, we're like 1 to 1 essentially at our firm, but I'm really conservative, so I'm too controlling. That's why my firm doesn't grow. What are your thoughts?
I think I remember in prior marketplace studies, now they're calling it the practice polls, that there was some sweet spot with, I don't know, 3 to 5 to 1. And there was something about how many attorneys and how many legal assistants was like the sweet spot because even if you had a higher assistant to attorney ratio, but if you had too many attorneys and too many legal assistants, like there was this sort of this black hole where it wasn't as profitable. I have found that historically, the more assistants that I had, legal assistants to attorneys, I'm usually more profitable. Right now, I think when I saw this, I was doing the math. I think we're like around 4 assistants to 1, but that's not counting all the additional admin team. And I think if you were saying that 50 to 1, which seems like a lot, but I think what probably is that you have a lot of experienced legal assistants who can help monitor the
Yeah.
other assistants and build like a hierarchy structure. And that's what we have. We have a senior legal assistant who helps oversee the other assistants, but she doesn't know all areas of immigration. So we have different tiers of doing those reviews. But I was shocked by that because I thought it would have been higher. But
There is this issue of what people
I don't
call
know.
it too. Some people have legal assistants,
That's
paralegals,
true. Sure.
case managers.
Yeah.
And case managers are essentially paralegals. They call them
Yeah.
case man. So the terminology becomes a trouble, like a difficult thing to track what the actual number is.
I agree with you on that. Honestly, I just use them interchangeably, but I know that you're probably not supposed to do that. But
Every time I ask what you define it as, they give me a definition. I'm like, what's a paralegal? No, we call it case manager or assistant. I'm like, okay.